Just get rid of the peat on the top. By doing this, we cool down the spoon. Since rhizobia are very temperature sensitive, by touching the section that I just cut open, we can determine the temperature is suitable or not. Once it's cooled down, grab our sample and we just put it into the flask. We usually take 11 grams of peat to work with. Just makes the calculation easier later on. Good number to work with. That's it, we have our 11 grams. Now we just put it on the wrist shaker. Set the timer for 15 minutes. And that's it. Okay, now we're going to go on to the second part of the QC process. I'm just going to run through it fairly quickly, keep it short. Got our flask off the shaker, been 15 minutes. It's mixed quite well. So we're going to perform a logarithmic serial dilution down to the -6 and 7. Once we have our colony count, we can then compare this to the industry standard, currently set at 1 × 10⁹. So I'll just go through quickly what we need for the second part. We've got 2 99ml bottles, peptone, and 2 9ml bottle peptones. They've been autoclaved and cooled to the room temperature. We've got a set of chroma plates and wire plate. They're labelled on -6 and -7 dilutions, which is the plates that we're going to need to count our colony forming units. We've got the -3 NA plate. This just allows us to screen for human introduced contaminants. We've got our pipettes, 1ml pipette and 100 microliter pipette. Got our spreader and alcohol, same thing to keep it contaminant free. So we're going to begin by transferring 1 ml of the original solution, which is we take as the -1, place it into the next 99ml bottle peptone, which becomes the -3 dilution. Give it a good shake, make sure it's mixed well, and we just do it again. Into the next 99 becomes the -5 dilution. Give it a good shake. Again, 1 ml into the 9ml this time. That becomes the -6. Do it again. 1 ml into the last 9ml bottle, so we can have our -7 dilution. Okay, now we change pipettes to a 100 microliter pipette. We take our -7 dilution and we put it onto the plates that we labeled -7. Change pipette tip and do it again for the -6. One last time, -3. Now we'll grab our spreader, flame the tip of it. Because the spreader is quite thin, it cools down very fast. Just touch the side of the AIRG. Then we spread the 100 microliter that we put in evenly around the plate. So we just give it a quick dip back in the alcohol, flame, let it cool down briefly around the AIRG. And we do that for the -6. Back in the alcohol, flame the tip, let it cool down, and that's that for the -3. So we put the wine made plates and the climber plates together in the 28-degree incubator, and we've got our -3 NA plates in the 37-degree incubator. And that's one sample. Usually we do 5 per batch, so we get an accurate result.